Have you ever noticed that the natural world doesn't always fit into the neat little categories we're taught? We grow up believing fruits are just food and herbs are something you sprinkle on dinner. But the truth is way more interesting. Some fruits are herbs, some herbs behave like medicine, and some plants, quietly ignored by the mainstream, have been revered for thousands of years as tools for awakening, clarity, and transformation. Today, we're stepping into that older, deeper world. Long before modern wellness trends, ancient cultures understood that fruits and herbs carried more than flavor or nutrition. They carried power. They were used to sharpen the mind, cleanse the body, and shift consciousness. Monks, ascetics, yogis, philosophers, all tapped into these natural allies to break patterns, challenge norms, and push the limits of human awareness. And one of the most legendary of these is Haritaki. Haritaki isn't just a herb or a fruit, it's both. A sacred botanical paradox. In ancient Ayurvedic texts, it was called the king of medicines. Tibetan monks believed it could expand intuition. Yogic traditions say it supports the opening of the third eye, helping practitioners pierce through illusion and perceive truth directly. It was used to deepen meditation, heighten clarity, and raise one's state of consciousness. Of course, this isn't the kind of story you'll hear in the everyday wellness aisle. But here, we're not about the status quo. We're about curiosity, exploration, and questioning everything we've been told about what the natural world can and can't do. So today, we're diving into Haritaki, its history, its ancient uses, and why this humble fruit herb has been cherished for centuries as a tool for enlightenment.